Hey guys, this is a problem I want to talk about. I see a lot of websites doing this, especially coach pages and online courses where they're just insanely bloated with text, way too much text, way too much copy. It's just, you feel like you're watching a webinar video where it doesn't say anything, but it's just endless text. It's 2024, so the way to succeed with your business, whether you're online or offline with your website, is to optimize it by adding a VSL. So this is a video sales letter. So it's basically a video about what your services entail and how you're better than other people. Strong header, strong subheader, bold copy, bold hook. You want to keep the copy very benefit focused, benefit rich. Try to have minimum 4 testimonials, ideally video testimonials. Video testimonials are the best, but if you're more of a local business, okay, you can put some Yelp reviews, Google reviews, but really just get some video testimonials and video reviews, and then have a clear call to action, a clear CTA. And very important, have your CTA repeat multiple times. So your CTA is going to repeat minimum 3 to 5 times on your page. So really just avoid having just only text websites. They're the worst. Don't do that. You want to get a website that's going to convert, get you more appointments, sales, everything. Follow this right here.